Welcome back to Inside the Box. Today I want to walk you through step by step how to delete a payment option that you have saved on eBay. We are going to start on eBay's homepage and work our way up to the left hand corner here by our username. We're going to click that drop down arrow. Now I've blacked out some information to keep it private here, but we're going to click on account settings. That is going to take us to the account settings page where we're going to find the payment information section and click on payments. That takes you to this page here. I'm going to scroll down. Again, I am going to black out my private information, but you can see here that I have a card that has expired and I want to delete this card. So I'm going to go down to the right, the bottom right of this rectangle here, and I'm going to click on delete. And this is just confirmation of the payment method that I want to delete. It says to use it again, you have to add this payment method back to your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the delete button. The page will refresh. It says that you've deleted a credit card, success. I got the green check mark there. So we're going to scroll down and you'll notice that that payment option is no longer there. And if I wanted to add it back or add a different payment option, all I have to do is click on this plus sign here, add payment option. And then I can choose to add a bank account or a credit or debit card or a PayPal option. Now PayPal, if you're doing eBay managed payments, PayPal can only be used at checkout. Also, if you want to sell using eBay managed payments, I believe you have to have a checking account on your eBay. Now, I'm making this video fall of 2021, and eBay can change their policies anytime they want to. I do not work for eBay, but if you're trying to delete a bank account, you might run into a little bit of a challenge there because you need to have a checking account filed with eBay if you want to sell on eBay's managed payments, according to my knowledge about eBay. But if you guys know anything different, please let us know in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. Life's been a little crazy and I've gotten far behind on my comments, but I'm going to try and stay after I upload a video for about 30 minutes after an upload to respond to any comments or questions you guys have. But even if I'm not able to respond, go ahead and ask your questions because other people read the comments and they might be able to help you out too. But if you do want to catch me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you are aware of when I upload my next video. And if this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks, guys.